Hey guys, my name is Larry Lane with Team Own. I just want to thank you for stopping by. This video is going to be about 5 minutes. Someone gave you this link, probably because you need to make some money from home. I'm here in Burbank, California. I work from my home every single day. So this is what I do. I know you may be watching from South America, Russia, Africa. We've got people all over the world right now that are involved in what's going on with the virus. They're stuck at home. Their families are in need and they need to make money. So what we're doing is we're sharing with the world how we work from home. We've got amazing products and we can actually help you start a home-based business. You've got team support. And all I want you to do is promise yourself that you're going to watch this video for the next 5 minutes. I know a lot of people get defeated and you think you can't do it, but I really want to share with you how simple this model is and how anybody can do this. Share this with your family. We've got products right now that help with weight loss. They help with depression. They help with energy. We've got beauty products, and all you have to do is share these products. We're going to give you commissions that will help your family the very next day. We have daily pay. Let me just show you some of the great products we have at TLC. We have the raspberry detox tea, and you can see these are little sample packs. So the way the model works is this product costs you about $59.95. That's a 30-day supply. And you make a commission of $20 off of that. So every time someone goes to your replicated website, they buy the tea. We also have it in lemon flavor. We've got the lemon packets. If they buy the weight loss tea, and a lot of people are losing 5 pounds in 5 days. So this is an incredible product anyway, but just think about making $20 every time someone buys one of these great products for you. You're almost like your own GNC or your own nutritional store. We've got all these products that we set up for you on a retail store, and all you do is share that link, and when people buy the products, we send you the commission. People 5 pounds in 5 days, that's on average what people are losing with the detox tea. We've also got the weight loss coffee. This helps you as an appetite suppressant. It's got the Ganoderma. These are also individual packs, so very easy to use, very easy to share. Again, this one's around $50, and if you sell one of these weight loss coffees, you get $20 commission the very next day. Okay, we've got beauty products. This one's got the emo oil. You put it on your face. Ladies absolutely love this, and so do the gentlemen. We've got the hemp drops. This helps with stress. This helps relax you. This helps with people with anxiety. So again, the product line people need anyway, because so many people are stuck at home. They can't pay their bills. They're stressed out. Again, this one's around $49.95, and you get a $20 commission every time you sell this. We've got products for energy. This helps you in the morning. You take 1 capsule a day, Energy. It gives you energy. It gives you focus. This one even helps you sleep at night. It helps you sleep, but it also helps you lose weight while you sleep. So these are just a few of our 20 plus products. And again, you can get started. You have your own replicated store that you can share. We ship all around the world 7 days a week. And again, anybody that goes to your replicated store, when you sell a product, you're going to get a $20 commission off every single product, and we pay daily. So that commission pays the very next day. That's powerful. If you've got a phone bill due on Friday, if your rent's due on Friday, if you were to sell 10 products, that's $200 we would send you. But it's brilliant because you get your own retail store. We store all the products for you. All you do is share your link. You don't have to worry about stocking products. You don't have to worry about shipping products. The company does all that for you. And this model is already paying people daily. It's helping people around the world, whether you're in America, Canada, Vietnam. We've got people right now working from home with Team Own, with TLC. They're selling these amazing products to people that need them anyway. They're getting that $20 daily commissions off every single product. Again, it's brilliant. You can do it. You've got full team support. We have Facebook groups. Everybody is now working from home because we're forced to. So you need to take advantage of a simple system, amazing products. All you have to do is share them, and we'll be with you every step of the way. So welcome to Team Own. You can get started today with 1 product. Someone sent you the link with this video. Go down. You can become a preferred customer. Get any of these amazing products. That person will obviously make that $20 commission. Or you can become a life changer. Take your own stimulus plan for your family. Take it into your own hands. 1 product and 1 membership fee, $19.95. That gets you started as a life changer. Now you've got your your own virtual store, you've got your own 9 to 5, and all you've got to do is share it. You're not selling anything. All you're doing is sharing, guys. So we will see you at the top. Daily pay, we're paying about $200,000 a day to people around the world, and you could be next. So take advantage. Someone sent you this video. Play it again. Listen to it, because you can do this. You can plug in and you can help your family. We can help change the world with this right here, this model. Thank you so much.